All right, I got a rare pair of shoes here. These are a pair of Justin golf shoes. Yes, Justin boots. Same brand. I don't know if you could pull it up. Camera will pull that up, but yeah, Justin, same logo. I can tell this is an older style golf shoe. I don't know exactly when these were made. I'll have to do some research on that. It's the saddle style. So you can see the saddle that goes over the shoe. It's an Oxford. And it's also got the exotic crocodile on it as well. Good looking shoe here. Very rare. I've never ran across these, and I've gone through a lot of shoes. So anyways, what I'm going to do is just show you guys how I clean up a pair of golf shoes. When I get a pair of golf shoes in, usually there's grass and everything built up inside of it, and I'll just show you the best way how to clean that up. All right, there's two ways you could do it. You could either take a hard bristle brush to the spikes and knock off a lot of the and it's really knocking that out really good. Or you could remove the spikes with a golf spike remover. I'm not going to do that. It looks like it's taking it off fairly well. I'm just going to all right, much better. Gonna put some Reptin exotic conditioner on this reptile. This Reptin does a really good job at penetrating that skin, whereas a lot of the generic conditioners have a problem. Gonna let that sit on there while I condition the leather uppers with the Saphir Renovator cream polish. Okay, I'm back. Probably been a little over an hour. It really took in most of that conditioner. I see a little couple spots where it didn't. It'll crust up. So the best thing to do is use a little bit of a firmer brush, like a pig hair. I guess they call it a hog hair brush instead of a horse hair. So if you have like exotic skin shoes or boots, you definitely want to pick one of these up after conditioning it with the Reptin. Oh, my phone's going off. There's just so many grooves and crevices in the reptile skins that it's really good to get in there and remove any of that excess dried up conditioner. You want to hit it at just about every angle. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add Tarago cream polish. I'm not going to put a lot on here, just a touch. I'm just touching that up. And what I'm doing is I'm just using one side of the tip to apply it and then kind of smooth it over with the other side. You want to be careful if the stitching on the welt is like a white or a contrasting color. You definitely want to be careful of not getting too close. Talk about a rare pair of shoes here. Never seen these before. All right, I'm going to put a link to these shoes when I get them listed and put on our site. I always have a list or a link. I always have a link to our website in the description below. If you guys want to just take a look, see what shoes we got. Also going to leave a link to all of the products that I use for cleaning shoes as well. Put some edge dressing on these. Okay, now that the edge dressing dried, what I'm just going to do is go over the top of it with a nylon cloth. That nylon will produce a little bit of heat, and it takes away that haze that sometimes will build up on there. All right, we got a really nice shine on there. These are looking great. These are definitely ready for the golf course. Definitely looks like a vintage shoe to me. I'm going to do some research on these shoes. Justin golf shoes with the exotic skin. If any of you guys want to look it up. All right, I'm going to throw the laces back on it and we'll look at the after pictures.